Anthropic is not trying to be the next OpenAI. They're trying to build something safer, smarter, and maybe even more powerful. And while everyone's watching ChatGPT, Anthropic is training an AI that could quietly take over the enterprise world. You've heard of OpenAI. You've seen what Google's doing with Gemini. But in the background, a company called Anthropic has been building something different. An AI assistant called Claude, not just a chatbot, a constitutional AI, trained with rules and ethics baked into its DNA, their mission. Build AI that's helpful, honest, and harmless. Sound slow? Think again. Their latest model, Claude 3 Opus, outperforms GPT-4 on key benchmarks. Quietly. This isn't a tech experiment. Claude is already being used by Notion, Slack, and Quora, and it's gaining adoption across legal, finance, healthcare, industries that need trust as much as intelligence. Anthropic is also backed by Amazon and Google, with over $7 billion in funding. They're not just building an AI model, they're creating the foundation for enterprise-safe artificial intelligence. Most AI models are trained on human feedback. Claude is trained by AI-written rules, a system called constitutional AI. It's like giving the model a moral compass and then letting it learn how to follow it. This means fewer hallucinations, more explainability, and something regulators are begging for, accountability. Here's the twist. While OpenAI goes consumer, ChatGPT, apps, plugins, Anthropic is B2B first. They're targeting the corporate AI stack, safer, compliant, reliable AI as a service. This makes them the preferred option for governments, banks, legal firms, not sexy, but powerful. If you're building AI tools, prompt engineering, or deploying LLMs, you can't afford to ignore Claude. It integrates with tools you already use. It's being baked into developer workflows, and it's being tested as a core reasoning engine for agents. This isn't the OpenAI versus Google war. This is a new front, and Anthropic is quietly winning. We always focus on the loudest players. But the next trillion-dollar company might not be loud. It might be principled, quiet, and strategic, just like Claude. If you're building an AI or just trying to stay ahead of it, follow now.